making Beurre Blanc. I take white wine, garlic, shallots, black peppercorns. I'm using the Chablis. Basically reduce this until you get it down to just like a wine syrup. Gonna keep stirring. I added bay leaf for a little extra kick to the sauce. I'm gonna be doing step by step for this, so I'll be back for the next part after this reduces. Alright, so that's about all we're gonna get. Gonna add about about 2 quarts of heavy cream. Stir this together. This is our cream and aromatic mix. Just stir it together. We're gonna let this reduce. Once it reduces, we're gonna start adding the butter in. Once you add in the butter, the sauce begins to thicken more. Now, some people add cornstarch and water slurry mixers. I don't do that. I just do the cream and just let it reduce and do its thing. Now, the more you let the cream reduce, the thicker it'll get. And adding in the butter will also add the thickening because of the fats in the butter. So see you back in about 30 to 45 minutes. Alright y'all, this is the important part of the sauce. So I let it reduce for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. See where my cream started initially. And this is how much I have left now. So now the important part is adding in the butter. We're throwing the butter. Just keep it on low heat. And just keep stirring until all the butter breaks down. So it's getting to the consistency that we want. Want it thick, not too thick. But it is thickening up now. I think I might add another half pound of butter to it to get it to the thickness that I wanted to. I'm trying to make this without the cornstarch slurry. We've been doing this for about 2 months without the slurry. I don't necessarily think we will need it, but yeah, just reduce your cream, get it to the thickness that you want, and you'll have some Beurre Blanc. Blackwing RPG out.